Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Begin M by Zoho. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you sign up and create a Begin CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for a Begin CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to have a good CRM to stay on top of your different deals and different customers so they aren't forgotten. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Begin website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already opened up their website and this is the home screen. Now, from time to time, they do run free trials. As you can see right here, they're doing a 15-day free trial. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the most recent affiliate link. So here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create your account, you're going to go ahead and fill out this little box right here. So your name, your business email, and then create a password. So if you don't want to do that, you can use your Google sign-in right here or your LinkedIn sign-in. For me, I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, I entered the required information. I'm going to click on sign up for free. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now, in order to create your Begin account, they're going to ask for your company name, a phone number, and then also which currency you're working in. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this in off screen. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now it brings me here to my Begin CRM dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start importing my contacts, putting deals together, and adding in my various products. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Begin M account by Zoho, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.